everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into the exciting world of real estate investing. Whether you're a curious college grad or a seasoned professional looking for a new venture, real estate can be a fantastic investment opportunity. But where do you begin? This video will equip you with the essentials for navigating the world of real estate. Step 1, understand your goals. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand your goals. Are you looking for passive income through rentals or aiming to build long-term wealth through property appreciation? Here are some common goals. Rental income. Investing in a rental property can provide a steady stream of income each month. Property appreciation. Investing in a property with the potential for value increase over time can be lucrative in the long run. Fix and flip. Purchasing a property below market value, renovating it, and then selling it for a profit can be a hands-on approach. Step 2, build your financial foundation. Real estate takes resources to pay off instead of being a get-rich-quick scheme. Here's what you need to consider financially. Down payment. You'll typically need a down payment, a percentage of the purchase price you pay up front. Closing costs. Factor in closing costs, which include fees for things like appraisals, title insurance, and taxes. Ongoing expenses. Remember, owning property comes with ongoing expenses like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Financing options. Explore different financing options like traditional mortgages, FHA loans, or VA loans for veterans. Step 3, explore your investment options. Real estate offers a variety of investment avenues. Let's explore some popular ones. Residential rental properties. Investing in single-family homes, duplexes, or apartment buildings can generate rental income. Commercial properties. Consider office buildings, retail spaces, or warehouses for a more hands-off investment approach. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Invest in a portfolio of real estate without physically owning property. REITs trade like stocks on the stock exchange. Step 4, seek guidance and education. Knowledge is power. Here are some resources to help you navigate real estate investing. Real estate agents. Connect with a reputable real estate agent who can help you find properties, understand market trends, and guide you through the buying process. Financial advisors. Seek advice from a financial advisor who can assess your financial situation and recommend investment strategies. Educational resources. Take online courses, attend real estate workshops, or read books and articles to gain essential knowledge about the market. Remember, real estate investing requires patience, research, and a long-term perspective. There will be ups and downs, so be persistent. Bonus tip, start small. Consider investing in a more affordable property first to gain experience before scaling up your investments. With the right knowledge and a strategic approach, you can take your first steps toward real estate success. So buckle up, do your research, and get ready to embark on your real estate investing journey. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more videos.